हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रोटैलेंट एंड आई एम नितिन परमार। आई एम श्योर आप सब लोगों की टर्म 1 की एग्जामिनेशन अच्छी से गई होगी एंड नाउ यू मस्ट बी रेडी to plan for your IIM IPM and the various other BBA entrance examinations. दोस्तों, I'm sure you must not be feeling lazy like this girl is visible here. I'm sure you must be ready with a lot of excitement. दोस्तों, आज के सेशन में I'm going to answer a lot of questions to you. For example, should I take a break after my board examination because I've put in a lot of efforts? ठीक है, I deserve break. ठीक है, now what is the meaning of break is what we are going to discuss. Do you deserve a break? Yes, obviously. But what sort of break is what we are going to discuss. When should I start my prep? Should I start now? Should I wait for 5 more days or something like that? Or when I start, you can say what should be my approach? ठीक है, from where should I start? What should I do? ठीक है. So दोस्तों, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस जो आपके मन में होंगे टर्म 1 के बाद, but you are not taking them seriously because you want to take a break. ठीक है. So my dear students, let me tell you that the break is not needed for the students who are thinking about achieving big goals in the life. If you are interested to achieve big goals in the life, no need to have a break. In fact, you understand what is a break. What is a break? When we are going on a particular path, we are doing it for a longer period of time, and now we want a separate or different path so that it's a break from that path. That's how it is. Yes or no? So assume that you were preparing for your board examination and now you are preparing for your IIM IPM or NPAT or Christ or Symbiosis, ठीक है, or Nirma, then automatically it's a break from your routine work. Okay, so that way you are able to gain a lot of benefits. Okay, so be positive. Okay, be positive. That's very important. Okay, so that's the meaning of a break. Now, to understand, you can say, when should I start preparing or should I take a break? Let me tell you some data. Okay, so we are sitting in the month of, you can say December. This is 15th of December. Okay, your exam is possibly in the month of May. Okay, possibly in the month of May, somewhere around on the 10th of May would be some exam. ठीक है, 10th or 11th of May would be your IIM IPM. Some examinations may be before, maybe by 2nd of May. ठीक है, some examinations may be on 28th of April. Okay, some examinations may happen later on. Roughly, we have 5 months and 20 weeks time. That's how we can assume roughly. Okay, because I believe that IIM IPM examination may take place by 10th or 11th of May. Okay, that's how their standard is. Every year they keep on the similar kind of dates. Okay, they don't keep it on Sunday, but they keep it on either Saturday or possibly on Monday, Tuesday. That's how the date they try to keep. Okay, so the point is, when I'm sitting in the month of December and these examinations are this, so obviously I have 5 months. But do you understand that you just concluded your term 1 and your term 2 is still pending? Yes, you heard it right. Your term 2 is still pending, which may come in the month of March or April, whereby you are not able to study, you are not going to study for your, you can say, this IIM IPM for at least 1.5 months. Thereby, you don't have full months available. You have only 3.5 months, 100 days, 14 weeks. That's the less time available. So in this less time, ठीक है, you need right approach. You need to change your approach, your attitude, your, you can say, overall efforts for the exam. Because this is do or die wala scenario. Not large number of students are taking a drop for IIM IPM. People appear in one go, they crack it and they get into the IIM. That's a very simple stuff. ठीक है, they appear for the exam, they crack it, they get into NPAT. That is NMIMS. They appear for SAT, they clear it in one go. So it is unlike your IIT JEE friends who may be taking a drop. You are not having a liberty. You do not have a luxury of taking a drop for the betterment. Okay, obviously anyone wishes to do it, that's a separate issue. Okay, so the point is, whatever these 3.5 months are left with you, you are going to put all your 100%. Okay. Now, when you put all your 100%, do you can say, really, you can say, have a plan in your mind? Sir, can you tell us what is a plan? Yes, let me tell you a plan. Okay. Because I believe that when a less time is there, it demands a right attitude. And that's why you can say, I'm coming up with, you can say, Mission IIM IPM 2022, and it's a 3A strategy. What is a 3A strategy all about? I believe the systematic efforts, if someone puts in, then there is short success will be there with that person. आपके अगर एफर्ट सही है, you are able to put right efforts on a regular way. For example, Amazon as a company always says this, that if you know the process in a right manner, you put all the right things in the process in a right manner, you are going to get success at the end. And Amazon is a highly successful company. Okay. Now, how did they achieve it? By putting systematic efforts. System oriented, everything works on a system. Here we are bringing to you a system for you. Follow that system. Very important. Follow that system. What is a system? 3-phase system, which is known as 3A strategy. 3 phases, 3 A's. All phases are known by A, called acquaint, acquire, and accelerate. Okay. Each phase will be of 1 month. So in a 3-month part, you are completing everything. Yes, it's a 3-month module. It's not longer module. Okay, 3 month, every phase has 1 month attached to that. Phase 1 is an acquaint. Okay, acquaint means what? Fundamentals to be acquainted. You get acquainted yourself. I'm sure you know that you can say IIM IPM or NPAT or symbiosis or any such examination will have 3 sections. Some of them will have 4th section, but 3 sections are constant in all these exams. That is Quant, General English, and then you can say this data interpretation and logical reasoning, majorly of logical reasoning part. And another area which will be added is called GK and current affair. Now, in the acquaint front, what you do is you complete, you can say, all topics. With every topic, you cover some around 100 questions. Sir, do you have a material available for that? Yes, we have a material. We have developed a special course known as Cohort 1. This Cohort 1 module is available for you. Okay, I have put a direct, you can say, link to this, you can say, video. ये video के description में there is a direct link. You can join that course. Simple, easy. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Then comes phase 2. That's a little advanced level. That is known as acquire. You acquire speed and accuracy. Okay, you write a lot of sectional tests. Now here you need a mock test series where you work on a lot of sectional tests. And phase 3 is you write a lot of mocks. Let me put it one by one. Okay, phase 1 is a quaint month, which is of 1.5 months. Okay, daily 3 hours is what you are going to spend, where you complete your full syllabus. You solve at least 100 questions from every topic. On LRDI, you complete 100 questions. On Quant, you complete 1000 words. You develop habit of reading newspapers. Okay, you practice 500 plus questions on RC. You practice for long sitting hours. That is needed. Okay, if you are able to achieve this in 1 month, and I believe that you have to give all your 100%, this is the right time. Phase 1 is a very crucial phase, because during this phase, starting from this 15th of December till 15th of January, you don't have any disturbance. None of your school is going to pressurize you. None of your coaching classes are going to pressurize you. None of your parent is going to pressurize you. So this is the right time to put efforts for your goal, for your life. That's very important. Okay? So believe me, you must put a lot of energy, a lot of, you can say, focus, a lot of enthusiasm, you can say, to your preparation right now. Devote 3 hours every day. Possibly if you want to put more hours, feel free and do it. That's very important. Phase 2 is acquaint. Once again, this is 1.5 month. Okay? Here, now you are progressing with respect to your speed and accuracy. Whatever the concepts you have learned, you apply those concepts, okay, with a speed, with a lot of accuracy. So you appear for a lot of sectional tests. With Sectional test, you do everything within a time limit. Okay, you do it in an online form because all your examinations are online. Yes, all your examinations are online, so thereby you do it in an online form. Okay, and then you analyze each test, identify your weak area, you improve on it, you work on your decision making skills, your thought process, your clarity of reasoning, you try to solve different varieties of the questions, but you improve your stamina as well at the same time. Stamina is a very important part. Many of you don't have a stamina of sitting for 3 hours at a stretch. My dear students, when your examination is of 2 hours, okay, when your examination is of 2 hours, okay, you have to leave your room 2 hours in advance. You reach at the center 1 hour prior, so you are going to sit in the examination hall for 3 hours at a stretch. No breaks. No breaks. Okay, in your home, in a cozy environment, when you appear for a mock test, you take a lot of breaks. Don't do that. Don't do that. And the third stage is the last 1 month where you spend 5 to 6 hours every day. Okay. You have minimum 25 mocks to write. Take mocks, analyze strategy, that which questions to be taken first, which questions to be left, kya kare, okay, ताकि we can improve on our success. Start taking a lot of data. अलग अलग तरीके के डेटा आएंगे. ठीक है, कैसे डेटा आएंगे? हर एक तरीके से सेक्शन वाइज एक्यूरेसी कितनी है. ओके, फिर जो एक्यूरेट है, जो राइट आंसर है, उनमें समय कितना लिया. सो योर लॉट ऑफ डेटा which is coming up, and you try to focus on getting more accuracy in a less time. That's a goal. Getting more accuracy in a less time, that's a score, that's a goal, and to achieve that you need data mining, and thereby data analysis of lot of mocks will be very useful to you. So my dear students, with ProTalent we are going to do that for you. ठीक है, आप जब मॉक टेस्ट लिखेंगे, आपके मॉक्स will give you lot of analysis. ठीक है, तो दोस्तों इस चीज को मिस नहीं करिएगा. एंड देन यू कैन से यू नीड 3 crucial thing for your studies. One is practice study material. You need it. I'm giving you cohort 1. That is one. That's for the beginner. Okay, there are, you can say, 2 more. That is cohort 2 and cohort 3. Okay, ठीक है, that is what separately I will announce. But as of now, cohort 1 is fully ready. You need test series. Okay, online test. You write online test, sectional as well as full length. And then you need, you can say, detailed analysis of the test. ठीक है, not just the test, but you need detailed analysis. So my dear students, ठीक है, these are the kits, success kits for you. You must have it. Okay, you must have it. Here you need mentor. Okay, here you need material. Okay, everything is available. So my dear students, if you have already joined ProTalent, you can say IIM IPM course. ठीक है, I'm sure you know all the content in your course. If you have not joined it, don't delay it. You can say start doing it now. ठीक है, I've given 2 links. One, cohort 1, that's available for everyone. Okay, then the next is the course for IIM IPM. उसका लिंक मैंने आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. Please join it. Okay, the new batches are going to start from 20th December. ठीक है, 20 दिसंबर से नए बैचेस चालू हो रहे हैं. इसको डिले मत करिए. एंड ज्वाइन अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. वी आर ब्रिंगिंग लॉट ऑफ फ्रेश कंटेंट ऑन अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल, सो डोंट मिस आउट ऑन इट. ओके, ठीक है, ग्रेट दोस्तों. आई बिलीव this gives you clarity. What you need to do is, you can say 3A series, write it on the table. ठीक है, समझदार बच्चा अपने आप को रिकॉल कराने के लिए याद रखेगा कि ये 3A है, टेबल पे लिख देगा ऊपर 3A क्या है और फॉलो करेगा. ठीक है, डे इन एंड डे आउट, will not lose out a single day. ठीक है, put all energy and efforts for achieving his goal and his dream in the life to reach to the top college. Do you have a dream to get into the top IIMs? If yes, please come and join this program. Okay, thank you and all the best.